Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a home bargains haul. This is a good one. This is a good little mixture too. It's really good. Before we get into the video, I just want to say that I am not sponsored by Home Bargains. I am not gifted by any of these brands. I have brought this all out of my own money. I am not sponsored, so whatever you're seeing is what I've brought out of my good, hard-earned money. So just remember that. Also, if you like the video and you like the products and you like the advice, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because it helps me out and I know that you like these videos. You can comment down below, and I will 100% comment back to you guys, because I like having a little conversation with you. So definitely give a comment down below. If you like the video this much, and there's loads more on my channel and you like them too, so then please subscribe and hit the subscribe button to tazwells12. Come and join the little love family. You are more than welcome, and it's good support for me, and I know what you guys like. Hit the notification bell, because when I do a video like this, straight off the back, you will see it if you hit the notification bell. Last thing is my main page of YouTube. There is a clickable link for Instagram and Twitter. That is everything, so I think I'm going to stop rambling and let's see the items from the Home Bargains haul. The first item I'm going to start with is this. So you have probably seen this amount of times on this channel. This is my godsend for work. Yes, this is my hobby YouTube, but I do have a full-time job with this. This helps me out a lot. So this is Things to Do Today, and it's just a planner, and it's in this marble nice design. Lovely, but the best bit is inside. Just a ring binder book like this, very long. Love this. I've got another one spare already. This is my second spare. I have nearly gone through my one at the moment. Honestly, this is the best thing. So it says Things to Do. Then you have the day and the date up here, which is really good to put. And then on here you've got priority, and then you've got a tick little box of done. So what I do through the day of my work is put a list through the day of what I need to do, and then also I have a colourful pen, and I use green tick for done, a little red scriggle that I need to do, and then I will obviously put in like other little notes that I need to do the next day. Thing is a godsend, and this is at the price of £1.49. I think that's such a bargain for this. This has got so many pages in it, and back to front is a good little book. And when we go back, or if we go back in the office for coronavirus, and when it's all overdone and you got your vaccine, I will still be using this. It's a bit of a random buy, but my mum buys these, and I thought it'd be good to just try one out. And the scent of this is what I love. This is a dehumidifier. Cannot say that word. It's called from AMBIENTAIR, and it's an interior one. So you put it in your house, and then this draws in moisture from surrounding atmosphere, absorbs up to 3 times its own weight in water, and this is cherry fragrance. What you can probably see here in this bit, as you can hear, is like little balls, and obviously like little beads, and they're white, and they have got some red ones in it. Obviously I'm guessing that's the cherry scent. If you open this up, it absorbs the water in your room, so if you get like a load of moisture and a load of, like when your windows mist up and get really hot, like it looks hot in there, this is what it does. It basically sucks all that water in, and it will put it into this half of the tub. And these are really good, actually. These are really good price. This was 79p, which I thought was quite a good bargain, so I grabbed her two because I know she uses them, and I thought we'd get one and try it. And if these are really good, then we may well buy them. You can stick them in your room, just stick them behind a frame or put on your windowsill, and it will get all the moisture into the little box. This item I thought was really good when I saw it. Normally we buy this sort of stuff out of Asda, which is really good still, but I think this has got more in it. I'm not quite sure. But this is for walls and delicates for hand and machine wash. You can put it in machine as well, but I use it for mostly hand washing. This is the Fairy Non-Bio gently cleans and cares, and there's apparently 15 washes in there, and there is 750 ml. But what I use it is for hand washing. There's like my super dry hoodies, Neil super dry hoodies, and also some like maybe jumpers like this for the first time just before they go in a washing machine, because I'm just very delicate of things like this, because sometimes they can be okay and sometimes they can't. So what I do, if I ever buy a new jumper or a cardigan or delicate sort of material, I will hand wash it first, and then the next time it can then go in the normal wash, and it always seems to work. So touch wood, that has worked. But I thought I'd get this because this was quite a big bottle, and also we go through this. Anything that's super dry definitely needs to be hand washed, because I bought Neil one and he put it through the washing machine and it took all the dye out. Not great. I know he wears it a lot, but it's taken the dye out and it's looking a bit faded on one. I got him a new one for Christmas. Hand wash them because it works like that, and I've done that with mine and the colour stayed really well. That was that, but that was at the price of £1.99. I bought this item, I've already had it before, but the one I've got, it's expired, so I'm going to chuck this one away. It's giving a really woofy smell off and it's not very nice, so I'm going to get rid of that one. But I brought a new one. This is what it is. This is the Pedicare Cracked Heel Repair Cream. I get dry feet sometimes, basically that's what happens, and I get cracked heel, and I use some moisturising cream. I go through like this foot cream. This is really good, Baylis and Harding, but this just moisturises your whole foot. This is what attacks the cracked heel. But this is visible results in 2 days, 35 ml. It pretty much will look like that one. I will take it out of the box because I'm not going to keep the box. Oh, it's like a different sort of packaging, so it's a lot more whiter, but hopefully this will have a better smell, because that one is a newer one, but this one's totally gone. I don't use it all the time, but I don't mind paying what I paid for this. I paid only 99p for it, and it does work when I do have cracked heel, because it really freaking hurts if anyone has it. But this is 99p and it works really well. I picked another one of these up in a different haul. I can't remember where it was from. It might have been Wilko, so definitely check that out. I saw this one. It was with the one I've already got, but this is the newest one. This is the, that's how you say it, a OZMO, and this is an antibacterial bin deodorizer and cleaner. It's up to 800 sprays. It kills 99.9% of bacteria, and it's a 3-in-1. It has silver bullet technology, don't know what that means. Citrus burst, so this has got a nice sort of lime, orange, lemon smell, very, very nice. Tested and proven. This is new as well. It also has a fine mist spray, very, very good. I haven't tried these yet, but these looked really, really good, and I think sometimes you need this in a bin. Just literally just spray it, maybe get it all wiped down if you want, and then spray it. But yeah, I thought it was quite good, and that was at the price of £1.79, so that was really, really good for that. But yeah, that really come in handy. This item for my lips. Honestly, I went in Poundland and tried to find a new lip balm. None at all. They had their own range. There was about 3 of them. I thought, oh, that's a little bit too cheap, because obviously there's 3 of them in a packet and £1. Not quite sure if it's going to work. I waited and went to Home Bargains, so I grabbed this, and this is right up my street. These are the ESO Evolution of Smooth, that's what it means, EOS. And this is the Cherry Vanilla Super Soft Sheer Lip Balm. And why I liked it was because it had like this little round bit. It doesn't actually look like a lip balm. It's for natural, sheer, wild grown. There's 7G in here. So Arbright and tart cherry vanilla flavour tastes like sugared red cherries and whipped cream. Yes, if that's what it like sort of you can taste, yes. The perfection way to top off anything. Too good to be true. Flavours meet super hydration for a delicious balm you want to wipe again and again. This looks amazing, and yeah, they had loads of them. They had loads of different flavours, scents. It was unreal, but I went for the cherry one because It looks really good and I really want to try this out, and I've waited to do this video so I can try this out because yes, this looks good and my lips are very, very dry at the moment. But this was at the price of £1.99. So yeah, it was a little bit overpriced, so I paid an extra £1 if I bought it from Pound Shop, but at the end of the day I think I've got a better bargain there. This item I couldn't resist. I don't know why, it just looked really cute and I couldn't resist it. This honestly is the simplest thing. So this is literally like a little bar fizzer. It's 150 grams. So it's just, but it's in the shape of a pineapple. So it says bath bomb with pineapple extract, add to warm bath water until dissolved. I can't actually genuinely wait to do this. I can't actually smell if there's any pineapple, but I just loved it. I thought it was the cutest thing and I can't wait to use this in a bath. I just think it's going to be amazing. But yeah, I just think it's cute. This wasn't expensive at all. I got someone as a present one of these because I thought they were really, really nice. But yeah, it's little as cute as the things and I just genuinely can't wait to use it in a bath. But this was at the price of 99p and they actually do lots of bath bombs in there. If you ever want a bath bomb, don't know what this is like yet. I will probably do a little clip of it, maybe on my Instagram or something like that, just to see how it does work when I do eventually use it. It honestly, they have loads in there, so if you want really like cheap little bath bombs just to put in some gifts or hamper or something like that, honestly get down to Home Bargains. This item is pretty sort of one that you kind of gotta know I picked up. A face mask again. I always go in either Poundland, Home Bargains, B&M. I think that's the only places, and I always end up picking a face mask up. It's unreal. I only pick ones up that kind of interest me, or I mean the scents look nice, or the sort of, it gives you what you want on your sort of complexion. But this is really cute and I don't know why they didn't bring these out for like the winter time. It is unreal. Another one from SKINTREAT. B&M and Home Bargains do these SKINTREAT ones. Really, really good. So this is the yummy pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice? That is like, that is winter time. That is Halloween time. Why did you not bring that out? But anyway, we've got this. And it's in this little cup like shape as well. Really cute. It's a super softening printed face mask. It just says hashtag my skin treat. No animal testing, it's vegan. Very, very cute little face mask. And then on the back, it just shows you what you're gonna look like. Really weird, because I think it's got that on it. It says on the back, wash face with warm water and dry with a clean towel. Apply face mask, leave for 15 minutes, but you can literally leave them for like 20 minutes, maybe longer. I've done it and it's no harm to your face. Gently remove mask by carefully peeling away from the face, starting at the edges. After removing mask, gently massage the remaining product into your face. Always do that. Always do it, because it generally, you get this like wet sensation, and then basically if you rub that in, it will dry itself. Pucker, really good. Please do that. This was at the price of 99p. They're about £1. Really good. Really love face mask, and that's really, really cute. And I will probably do a review on this at some point. So that is everything of this Home Bargains haul. I hope that you've liked it and what I've shown you. I hope you like the products or the items or the advice I've given you. If you did, then please, like I said, give it a massive thumbs up, because I know that you like it. Also, if you like it that much and you like some of my other videos, then please subscribe to tazwells12, because there's lots more coming. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, check out the clickable link on my main page. Just want to say I am not sponsored in any way of these brands. It's all out of my own money, not sponsored. And I hope that you have a lovely day, a lovely evening. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.